Good morning guys! It is our last day in New York. Katapos lang namin mag-pack guys. Pero before kami umalis, mag-ano muna kami magpapa-laundry. Our check-out is 12. What time is it now, babe? 11:15. So may time pa tayo guys. We will have lunch at Red Lobster. Yum! Kasi hindi pa namin yun nakainan. And first night pa lang namin dito. Sabi namin kakain kami doon. Pero hindi natuloy kasi ang daming tao. Pero, yeah, kung marami man tao ngayon, lilinya kami guys because we need to eat there. Ito yung sitwasyon natin today guys. So, yan. Pagkatapos malaundry nung iba, dyan namin ilalagay. So, hindi pa yan puno. 23 kilograms yung allowance namin eh. Ito, tamang-tama na to. 23 kilograms na to. So, yung isang maliit na luggage namin nilagay namin sa loob. And then, yan, hand carry namin yan. Yung isa. So, hindi na namin siya mapapasok dito kasi nga, puno na guys, and it will be more than 23 kapag pinasok pa namin yung maliit. So, after namin malaundry, which is itong mga to guys, palaundry namin yung dalawa, lagay namin yan dyan, and that should be enough, 23. Right, babe? Yes. Are you ready to leave New York, my love?
We're ready. We've seen it all.
We've seen it all.
We ate it all.
We kind of did as well. You did. Did you like New York, babe?
Great city. Loved it, actually.
I know. It's really good, isn't it? It's
Yeah.
very busy, pero, yeah. Do you want to come back, babe?
One day.
Char.
I do. One day.
Yeah. No, it's a really nice city to visit. Expensive, but worth it. Really worth it. Isn't it, babe?
Yep.
Naka-check out na kami guys. Labas lang kami, coffee. Tapos magpaano din kami, laundry. Yan oh. Pero coffee muna. But first, coffee. Let's go, babe. Just stay in the middle, my love. I got you. Starbucks muna tayo guys. I need my latte. Do you want coffee for yourself?
I'm good.
Ako lang? Okay.
Thank you.
Hindi pa yung manin? Oh.
Here in the city and all across the country are making their final case before election day Tuesday, and there are
Lakad-lakad na naman. Yung laundry namin 26 minutes. So lakad-lakad lang kami. Kanina doon kami sa side na yun. Tapos we crossed. And pabalik na kami pero slow lakad lang kasi maya pa yun matatapos. Will you miss this, my love?
I do. I will.
Yeah.
But I'm glad we saw everything.
Yeah. What was your favorite?
I like the buildings. I do.
I like Soho and I like Dumbo.
I like Soho. I like Dumbo. I like Empire State Building.
Yeah. Rockefeller.
Rockefeller's good as well.
Yeah.
What else? Times Square. I like Times Square.
Yeah,
Times
Times Square is nice.
It's always happening.
Yeah. No, Times
I
Square
like
was
the hockey
good.
as well. I really enjoyed the hockey.
Yeah.
I really enjoyed the hockey.
Ako din. Mas nagustuhan ko yung hockey kaysa sa football. Hands down. Siguro kasi napaka straightforward ng hockey. Like, yung, what do you call that? The puck?
Yep.
Like, yun lang. Lalagay mo yung puck sa sa goal, yun. Sa football kasi medyo complicated siya. Hindi ko siya masyado maintindihan. My brain is too small for that. Pero yeah. Sobrang enjoy ko yung hockey. Sabi nga ni Dan, kung dito daw siya naka-base, siguro siya, sa hockey siya, hockey supporter. Is that right?
I love hockey.
Yeah.
I actually really enjoy it, yeah.
Yeah, it was really good. No, even I enjoyed it. Hindi na napigilan. Kakain kami sa Red Lobster, pero hindi niya napigilan. Kain pa more siya. Pizza yung gusto niya.
Also, can I
And
grab that middle chicken wing as well, please?
gusto ko na ito, chicken wing isa. Dami lang chicken dito guys. Oh. Dito kami sa crispy crunchy chicken. Ito. Kaharap lang nung namin. Pinalaundry namin doon. Great American Wash. Yan yung guys, chicken buffalo pizza. And then ito yung chicken wing ko. Isa lang yung chicken wing ko. Mabubusog na ako nito. Magre-red lobster pa tayo, babe. Ang liit ng chicken.
Hey, look at that.
Do you like my chicken, my love?
Yeah.
Tikman natin yung chicken. Thank you. It's good. Sarap guys. Nagugas ako ng kamayan. Punta ako toilet kanina. Do you like it?
Yep, have a bite.
No. Where are we, babe?
Where are we?
Is this your happy place now?
Best food. NHL store.
Is this your happy place now?
It is, but I don't even have the name.
They don't have the ranges? Gusto niyo bumili ng pack, guys. Ay, kasuko! Relax! Relax ka lang, babe. Huwag ka magalit.
Hey, that's my favorite team.
Ay, nako. They should have it. Maybe they're sold out. That one, oh!
Yeah, but this is like $20-something.
22. So, mga ano yan, babe? $30. This is legit, babe. Like, this one's heavy.
Yeah, I think it's a case though.
Yeah? Ito na yung mga ginagamit nila, yung packway. Are you a big Rangers fan now? Baka I love him. Ito na lang, babe. Oh, patch. Danny, just go with the patch. Here.
I don't want a pack, I want a pack.
Sabi ko sa kanya, mag-ingat sa ano mga bibilhin kasi na sort out na namin yung luggage namin. Tamang-tama na talaga siya. Sabi niya, bili ako ng konti na maliit daw. Uy, ano na ba yung focus mo? G7X? Red lobster. Fresh fish. Live lobster. Let's go. It doesn't look that busy, babe. We should be alright. Yay. Oops. Dito na kami sa loob, guys. 5 minutes down. So, hintay-hintay. Di pa ako ganun kagutom. Kumain kasi kami ng chicken. Uy, kahit na isang yung maliit na ano lang, chicken wings, busog na ako nun. Red lobster. Sorry?
They said I don't have prices.
They don't have the prices?
No.
It's a surprise.
Surprise, we can't pay.
Over. I think complimentary to Caesar salad and then we've got bread. Yum. Thank you. And beer na dan. Di ko alam kung ano yung in-order niya. Ayan. Winter lager. And Dr. Pepper for me as usual. Ang bango nito. Kain tayo, guys. And we've got the lobster dip, guys. Yeah. Ito palang busog na ako. Kumain din ako ng salad, tapos kain pa ako nito. Tapos meron pa kaming feast na darating mamaya. Taste it, babe. And I'm pretty sure it's gonna be good.
Hot.
Sabi niya, be careful because it's really hot.
Yeah, it's really hot.
Ito yung mga gusto ko, guys. Yung mga dip. Tapos mga chips. Yum. Kain, guys. Nandito na yung feast, guys. Look at that. So we have lobster tail, prawns.
Garlic prawns, I reckon, are they?
Garlic prawns, yeah. And then, asan na yun? What's up, babe?
Crumbed prawns.
Crumbed prawns. And where's the... it's right there. Scallops, yeah. Nasa ilalim, guys. Yan. Yum. Kain. May rice din siya, guys. Tapos mashed potato na dan.
Well, you
Kain,
want
guys.
lemon over these or that? Or that?
I think all of them.
What's that, babe?
That's good.
How's your rice?
It's really good.
Tastes good as well. Butter on you?
Manay's lobster is way better. Manay, mas masarap yung lobster mo. Tapos na kami kumain, guys. Yung total namin is how much?
How much it costs?
Yeah.
74 US.
74, guys. Pero kasama na nun yung tip. So, yung tip nila dito sa 18%. Kasama na yun. Yung lahat na kinain naman kanina, 75. Is it worth $75?
No.
Hindi, guys. Hindi masyado. Ano kasi, parang nasanay na tayo sa lobster ni Manay. Like, we're so used to Jonah's lobster.
Nah, it was pretty average seafood.
Yeah.
I think so.
I like the dip. Pero yung seafood na, dito talaga tayo nag-review. Toilet tayo, alis na tayo. Review pa more. Malove, where are we?
Models.
Dito kami sa Model Sporting Goods, guys. And nakita niya to. Ito sana yung bibili niya kanina sa NHL. $22. Ito, same exact one. 13.
It's 23. Yeah, so it's better.
Yeah, so $22.99. So that one's $12.99, malove. He's getting it souvenir niya, guys. Kasi favorite team niya ang
Other than port.
isang beses pa lang niya napanood. Paborito na niya, guys. Nanalo kasi. Dito na kami sa sasakyan, guys. Punta kami sa airport. Off to Vegas. And tinry ko pala, guys. Nagpunta kami ng Sephora. Kasi umuulan kanina. So pasok-pasok kami sa shops before kami bumalik ng hotel. And tinry ko yung Boxom na lip plumping. First time ko siya na-try. As in, plump talaga siya, guys. Yung mukha ko parang maraming maulan kasi. As in, plumping talaga siya, guys. Yung lip gloss yung ginamit ko. Pero tingnan niyo, maulan. Guys, nandito na kami sa airport. Sa Newark kami. Newark, hindi sa JFK. And ang cool dito, guys. Yung mga restaurants, yung mga boarding gates. Meron silang mga tablets. Pakita ko sa inyo. Wait. Tingnan nyo, guys. Yan. Dito yan. Tapos, dun din. Yan, mga boarding gates yan, guys. May mga tablets sila. So, while naghihintay ka, Facebook, kung mayroon kayong Facebook, Instagram, diba? Bongga! 83. Gate 83 tayo. So, dito tayo, babe. Yeah. So, tingnan nyo.
Red mango.
Which one? Ooh, red mango. Starbucks muna tayo, guys. Mocha frap lang. Mocha frappuccino. Or do you want something else, babe?
I'm taking the dark one.
We got the peppermint mocha frap. And ang sarap, guys. Ang sarap ng peppermint. Dito kami, tingnan natin kung anong ganap nito. So, pwede ka mag-play, mag-drink, eat. Play tayo. Hello. Babe, please scan your boarding pass. That's cool.
Oh, yeah.
Wait. Hindi pala kailangan i-scan, guys. Pwede mo lang i-skip. Tapos pwede ka na mag-play kung gusto mo mag-play. And then may mga chargers din dito, Ang cool nito. Yung mga tablets nila dito, guys, wala pala siyang wifi. Ano lang siya, kung mag-order ka ng drink, tapos dito ka magbabayad, Pero yeah, pwede ka mag-order ng drink. May mga games din. Pero, yeah. Kasi sabi ko kanina, diba, makakaano ka ng social media. Hindi pala, guys. Play, drink, eat lang siya. May sasabihin ako sa inyo, guys, mamaya. Pero mamaya na. I'm gonna tell them something then about what happened today. Later. I'll tell them now? You want me to tell them now?
Later.
Later. Guys, nandito na kami sa hotel, guys. Meron kaming hotel room tour, pero bukas pa yun, guys, kasi sobrang hahaba na yung video. Pero meron akong chika na nangyari sa New York kanina, guys. Nakakaloka. Kasi yung plano sana namin is mag-Uber kami. And nung stinor namin yung luggage namin, sabi nila, meron kaming car service dito. So, kung gusto nyo, let us know. Ganon-ganon. Pero sabi ni Dan, wala, mag-Uber kami. Pero, nung bumalik na kami para kunin na yung luggage namin kasi nga aalis na kami papuntang airport, sabi nila, Sure ka na hindi? Kasi $35 lang. Sabi nung tao doon. So, sabi ni Dan, talaga? Okay, we'll keep that in mind. So, nung magbubook na sana ako ng Uber, it says $75. So, sabi ni Dan, uy, wag yan. Kasi sabi nung lalaki, $35 lang. And tinanong niya pa ulit-ulit, is it really 35? Like, 35, ganun. So, kasi nga nag-confirm si Kuya na $35 lang talaga. Hindi namin tinuloy yung Uber, guys. And we took the car service sa hotel instead. Now, siguro mga 1 oras siya. So, nung nasa car ko, parang naisip ko, parang feeling ko may mali eh. Kasi, totoo ba to? $35 lang. Malayo kasi siya, guys. Umabot na siguro mga 1 oras or maybe 1 hour and 10-15 minutes, ganun. And pagdating na namin dun sa Newark, kasi sa New Jersey yung airport namin, ay talaga, guys, sabi, $85, hindi 35. Tapos si Dan sabi ko na nga ba eh. Hindi naman siya ganun kalaki difference. $10 lang naman. Okay lang naman kung sabihin nila yung totoong presyo, diba? Yung diferensya is bakit magsisinungaling para lang makuha mo yung car service na yun. Kung $10 difference, okay lang, diba? Basta lang alam namin. Hindi namin alam eh. Pagpunta dun, ano nangyari sa'yo dyan? Relax lang. Nagpipicture siya. Anyway, so yun. Pagdating na namin doon sa Newark, sabi nung driver, oh, $85. Tapos sabi ni Dan, 35. Tapos sabi, Kuya, 35 nga talaga yung sabi. Pero yung sabi niya, no, 85. Ang layo-layo nga dito. Yung iba nga, 200 yung charge. Sabi ni Dan, okay lang naman sana kung sinabi lang sana sa atin. Kasi diba? Anyway, yun yung nangyari. And medyo na si Dan, nainis na si Dan nun. And yung flight pa namin papunta dito, delayed ng mga 1 oras. So, instead of 11:30 yung landing namin, we landed at around 12:30. And, yeah. Tapos naligaw pa ako kanina. Sakay pa kami ng tram na hindi pala, mali pala. So, kailangan pa namin bumalik. But, yeah, that was fine. But, nandito kami sa magandang hotel. The hotel room tour and the first night in Vegas will be up tomorrow, guys. Pero, yeah, yun na yung vlog. Salamat, guys, for watching. Please like this video kung na-enjoy nyo. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget, be good night. Good morning na pala. Bye, guys. Mwah.